As the famous quote goes, distance means so little when someone means so much. And it's a reminder that no matter where life takes us, we'll always have each other. Even though we may be in different zip codes, our bond remains unbroken, and that's something that I'm truly grateful for. Yeah, this is just my passion, really. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, you're so sweet. Come here, come here, come here. You're so healthy, you're so healthy. What do you want? I can work all day like this. Luna, Luna. This is Luna. You're so nice. You're just shredding. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. Today is a Monday, so too bad. I'm going back to work, but that's part of life. Hindi natin ma-afford ang mga ganitong trip kung hindi po tayo magtatrabaho. Pero siguro yung different lang with this work is that I'll be working here in South Korea. So it will be a different environment for sure. So it's gonna be refreshing. So ayan, I'm very excited because we are going to a lot of different cafes again. I think this video is going to be shorter than the other vlogs just because most of the time I am working, but maybe I'll try my best to talk about a lot of information about this cafe as well. I'm thinking of visiting 3 cafes for today. I really love the coffee culture here because a lot of cafes will allow you to stay longer than you usually do in your country. Maybe I'll just see you when I'm already in the cafe. See you there. Okay, so nakatawid na tayo from the other street. Woo! I actually have cafes on my list, but you know, looking at Hongdae apparently has a lot of places to offer, and internet doesn't know everything. Believe me, been to Hongdae for a few nights, and there's a lot of cafes that I haven't heard about, but it's pretty good. Now, regarding the temperature, it's 10 degrees and I am really loving the weather. Like, I can feel it in my hands. My hands are freezing cold. I love it. It's amazing. We are now in Hongdae, the main street, the famous Hongdae street. It's really good that I've decided to stay here for work kasi we have the same vibe. Everyone's in a hustle, so definitely gonna help me get through the day. I'm very happy and excited actually to go to work. Wow.
파란 하늘에 핑크빛 구름 네 손에 나에게 준 chocolate I'm feeling so good 눈에 보이는 모든 게 예뻐 You already made my day 멈춰도 좋아 뚜렷한 기억 처음 손잡은 그날 누구 건지 모를 palm sweat We'll never let go 헤어지기가 아쉬운 나날들
Oh my god, you guys, indeed, better day. I was so productive inside that cafe, and it's already almost 2 p.m. here, so 1 p.m. in the Philippines. So I am now on my lunch break. So for an hour, I have to look for a place to eat and look for another cafe where I'll be continuing my shift for the rest of the day. Guys, sobrang effective ko dito. Like, feeling ko yung task ko for the whole day. I already finished for a few hours. Wow! Sana ano lang to, sana hindi lang ako ngayon. Like, hindi lang to for this day, but also the entire day or for the whole entire stay ko dito. Pakulit yung whole entire. Anyway, sobrang happy lang ako, guys. So, hindi na ako nagja-jacket kasi maaraw na, so hindi na ganun kalamig. But then you can still feel it like inside your long sleeves, but very manageable, very manageable. Whew. Feeling ko magko-convenience store ako to eat lunch para very quick so I can settle doon sa next cafe ko. So join me, let's go!
너와 함께라면 어디든 좋아 지금 이대로면 멈춰도 좋아
Grabe guys, kada street, walang tapon. What? What? To set your expectation, this burger place is not actually alongside the street of Hongdae. It's actually outside. I had to cross a major street just so I can go here. I hope it's worth it. Next stop on our tour is 1989 Burger Stand. This place is located in a student district, and its affordable price make it a great spot for anyone on budget. The atmosphere is cozy, and unlike other restaurants, it's not too warm inside, making it a great spot to relax and enjoy a meal. The staff here is also top-notch. The gentleman who served me spoke incredible English.
I recommend that if you like to enjoy this burger, or just try first, or use the Tabasco or sriracha, yeah, just a little bit.
And was more than happy to recommend some menu items for me to try. And let me tell you, the food did not disappoint. Despite the low prices, the portions were more than enough to fill me up. The patty in particular was juicy and tender, with a perfect blend of simple ingredients. After finishing my meal, I found that my lunch break was already over and I needed to get back to work. But the staff was kind enough to let me use their space and finish up some meetings and emails before moving on with my day. All in all, 1989 Burger Stand is a great spot for a delicious and affordable meal and a cozy and comfortable atmosphere to enjoy it in. I feel like I'm gonna visit again before leaving Hongdae the experience is just amazing. Maybe I'll visit again the same time so it's not gonna be packed.
Come on.
Guys, so I think we're going back to the main Hongdae Street. Oops. We're going back to the main Hongdae Street and look for a cafe to continue our task. We're online until 7 p.m. And after that, I think we are free to roam around. That's exciting. So let's head in there.
Yeah. 들어봐. 가뭄 같은 마음엔 뭐라도 담비가 돼요. 돼요. 무의미한 말에 자꾸 내 맘이 설레요. 그래요.
Guys, isa pa palang sobrang nagugustuhan ko dito sa environment na to is that not only students are here but also people who work. So parang I feel like I belong and I don't feel like, si Raf lang yung nagtatrabaho. No, everyone is doing the hustle.
내게 다가와줘. 날 바라봐줘. 날 사랑해줘. 너 하나뿐이야. 다가와줘. 날 바라봐줘. 날 사랑한다고 말해줘.
On my way to the next cafe, I stumbled upon this shoe store and I couldn't resist going in.
그대 앞에 빛을 잃어.
I've been looking for a new pair of shoes since day one. The Seoul exclusive Retro Bee E5s. The design is absolutely gorgeous. I tried them on and I felt like I was bouncing on clouds. I just knew I had to have them. I found my perfect size and made the purchase. It's a great find for me and I can't wait to show them off.
Bunga ng 13th month, guys. 13th month! I'm so happy!
기도해요.
Our final stop on this tour is an absolute must visit. Let me tell you, this place is truly special. The moment you step in, you'll be struck by the high ceilings and the minimalistic design that screams productivity and creativity. This space is truly massive, and there's even a second floor that I didn't have time to explore. But the ground floor alone was more than enough to sell me. The best part? The prices are incredibly affordable. I ordered a simple cafe americano as I will be indulging in sweets later tonight with my friend Ted to celebrate his birthday. I was able to work comfortably and efficiently thanks to the cafe's ambiance and design. I highly recommend this cafe to anyone visiting Hongdae. It's a great spot for a productive and comfortable work session, and you won't regret checking it out.
Oh my god, you guys, I really love this cafe. I had such a great time. Oh, I am done with work as well, and I'm heading back to the main street of Hongdae, and I will be with Ted so we can we call this salubong in the Philippines. Sasalubongin namin yung birthday niya. We'll be waiting for 12 midnight. Oh, kababata ko si Ted, and yes, we celebrate our birthdays together, but this is going to be special because we are outside the Philippines.
한숨 같던 하루
Ayan, so may tinatawag kaming spot namin ni Ted kung saan kami mag-hangout at magse-celebrate ang lamig. Prayers kung kaya namin to. Ang saya, sobrang saya ko kasi nakakapag-jacket na ako. Hindi ako nakakapag-jacket for the past days and now I can. I'm so happy.
your arms to mine, heart to heart we try to be each other's light. Oh,
Okay, so nandito na yung birthday boy. Nasaan na siya? Okay, tumatawid na siya. Pabid na natin. Di ka nilalamig? Hold your balls!
I walk like 15 minutes, tapos you ask me kung hindi ako nilalamig.
To celebrate Ted's birthday, we sat down and reminisced on the years that have passed since we first met in 2004. It's hard to believe how much has changed since then, but one thing that remains constant is our friendship. We have talked about the people in our group and how we've all grown and evolved over the years. Despite the distance and being different countries, our friendship remains unbroken. And it's a reminder that no matter where life takes us, we'll always have each other. As the famous quote goes, distance means so little when someone means so much.
Hindi na po niya kaya ang 6 degrees.
Kailangan ko na mainit sa kamay.
Bumili siya ng tea.
No, it's chocolate.
Oh, it's wow! Looks good.
I am filled with hope for the future and the memories we'll make together. I'm just so thankful for the friendship, for all the memories we've shared so far.
Guys, surprise natin si Ted. Malapit na. It's 11:58. 2 minutes na lang. Ooh. It's a chocolate roll. 31 na siya. So, 1.
Sabi na kaya ang tagal eh.
Yay!
Even though we may be in different zip codes, our bond remains unbroken, and that's something that I'm truly grateful for.
So yun guys, 12 midnight na, surprise natin si Ted. Surprise naman siya, effective.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Ted!
Thank you very much.
Ayun.
Super appreciated.
Sure. So ayun, dito na lang namin tatapusin yung day namin. Tapos bukas magkikita kami ulit. So maraming mukha ni Ted ang makikita nyo pa sa next videos. Actually sa next videos pa, matami pa tayong videos.
Yeah.
For sure. So ayun, we just really want to thank everyone for watching. I hope enjoying the rest of the series. Sana masaya kayo.
Yeah, thank you guys.
See you tomorrow for the next video. Bye!
담담하게 넌 무뚝뚝한 말투로 미안하고 고마웠다 말하네. 이미 알고 있던 듯 고개 끄덕였지만 아직 잡은 손